Hello students and parents. In this video lesson, I will be going over our math assignment from earlier today. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this math lesson, we've been talking about adding on 0, 1, and 2 numbers within that area. So let's go ahead and begin. So first things first, put your date. Okay. There we go. And I want you to split your page in half like that. Now, also in our lesson, we were starting to begin adding and subtracting up and down vertically and horizontally. So in the video, we had a bucket, and our bucket was holding carrots. And within our bucket, we had to figure out, okay, how many carrots do we have in our bucket, plus the amount of carrots we have out of our bucket if we were to put more carrots into it, and how many that would be all together. Then we added that vertically to see if we got the same answer and how many overall in total. Okay, so for our first one, let's say we had 8. We had 8 carrots inside of our bucket. Now you can draw 8 carrots inside the bucket if you want, but you don't have to. But here is my carrots in my bucket. Now I'm going to add this many carrots. Okay, I'm going to add that many carrots. Now, how many carrots am I going to have in all? So I'm starting with 8. You can even show me on your fingers. You're starting with 8. Then you're going to add 2 more. 1, 2. How many carrots do I have now? 10. Correct. So you should have 10 carrots in all. So here is 2 carrots, and you should have 10 carrots all together. I put a C for carrots because that's how I know that's not just 10. It's 10 carrots. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add it vertically. So let's do 8 because that's the number we started with, plus 2 equals, we can add it one more time on our hand, 8 plus 2 more, 1, 2 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10. So all together in our big bucket, we have 10 carrots. Yum. If there were some rabbits, that would be yummy. Okay, so let's go on to our next one. So we're going to do another problem, but this time we're going to switch it up a little bit. So first I'm going to draw my bucket. And then my plus sign equals blank. And then I'm going to do my vertical problem. And then my final bucket with my final amount of carrots inside. Okay, so let's say for this bucket of carrots, I think let's see, let's do, oh, I'm going to be adventurous this time. I'm going to be adventurous, and let's do 5 carrots. Okay, so we're going to have 5 carrots here, and we're going to add this many carrots next. Okay, so how many carrots are we going to have left? Then add it vertically, and then write your final answer here. So also it talked about when you are adding with a 0, the number you start with stays the same when you add by 0, because if you have 5 carrots, and for example, if you have 5 carrots and then you're going to add 0 carrots into your bucket, how many carrots are you still going to have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're still going to have 5 carrots. So because 0 is nothing. So if you have 5 carrots and you add no carrots to your bucket, you're still going to have the same amount of carrots you started with. So that's how it is with 0, and that works for any number. You could have 87 carrots and you add 0 carrots to your 87 and you still have 87 carrots. And it just keeps going on and on and on and on and on like that. So For this problem, I want you to figure out, okay, how many carrots would we have if we added this many more? And then try it vertically and see if you get the same answer, even though it's going up and down addition. And then write your total amount of carrots in this bucket here. So that is going to conclude our math video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.